So as we have seen the Terraform workflow, so now let's look into the advantages of Terraform. So one of the most big advantage of Terraform is it can manage any infrastructure. So find if you want to find providers for so many of the platforms and services you already use in the Terraform registry, so you can go there and you can check Terraform registry. So then there you can find almost all of the providers, and you can also write your own if you want. So Terraform takes an immutable approach to infrastructure, reducing the complexity of upgrading or modifying your services and infrastructure. And to track your infrastructure, Terraform generates a plan and prompts you for your approval before modifying your infrastructure. It also keeps track of your real infrastructure in a state file, which acts as a of truth for your environment. So Terraform uses the state file and configuration files too are there. So Terraform specifically uses the state file to determine the changes to make to your infrastructure so that it will match your configuration. And the third advantage of Terraform is automate changes. Terraform configuration files are declarative, meaning what does the declarative meaning? So the declarative mean that they describe the end state of your infrastructure. You do not need to write step by step instructions to create resources because Terraform handles the underlying logic. So Terraform builds a resource graph to determine a resource dependencies and creates or modifies non-dependent resources in parallel. So this allows Terraform to provision resources efficiently and effectively. Then the fourth one is standardized configurations. So Terraform supports reusable configuration components called modules that define configurable collections of infrastructure, saving time and encouraging best practices. You can use publicly available modules from the Terraform registry or write of your own. And collaborate is one more benefit, is it's a best for collaboration, a collaboration tool. So since your configuration is written in a file, you can commit it to a version control system, VCS, and use Terraform Cloud to efficiently manage Terraform workflows across teams. So Terraform Cloud runs Terraform in a consistent, reliable environment and provides secure access to shared state and secret data. So role-based access controls a private registry for sharing both modules and providers, and more and more.